Creating your own tea garden is a delightful way to cultivate a variety of herbs and plants that can be used to make delicious and aromatic homemade teas. Here are some herbs and plants you can consider growing in your tea garden. 1. Camellia sinensis, tea plant. The tea plant is where traditional black, green, white, and oolong teas come from. It's a shrub that thrives in subtropical and temperate climates. 2. Mint, Mentha sep. Mint is a popular choice for herbal teas due to its refreshing flavor. Varieties like peppermint and spearmint can be grown for their leaves. 3. Chamomile, Matricaria, chamomilla. Chamomile flowers are commonly used for soothing and relaxing herbal teas. They have a mild, apple-like flavor. 4. Lemon balm, Melissa officinalis. Lemon balm leaves have a lemony scent and flavor, making them a delightful addition to herbal teas. They are known for their calming properties. 5. Lavender, Lavandula sep. Lavender flowers can be used sparingly to add a floral aroma and taste to teas. They pair well with other herbs like mint and chamomile. 6. Lemon verbena, Aloysia citrodora. Lemon verbena leaves offer a strong lemon fragrance and flavor, making them ideal for adding a citrusy twist to teas. 7. Rose, Rosa sep. Rose petals can be used to add a delicate floral aroma and flavor to teas. Make sure to use pesticide-free roses. 8. Hibiscus, Hibiscus sabdorifa. Hibiscus flowers are used to make vibrant, tart teas that are rich in vitamin C. They can be enjoyed hot or cold. 9. Peppermint, Mentha ex piperita. Peppermint has a strong and invigorating flavor, making it a popular choice for minty herbal teas. 10. Stevia, Stevia rebaudiana. Stevia leaves are naturally sweet and can be used to sweeten your homemade teas without adding sugar. 11. Thyme Thymus s. Thyme leaves can be added to herbal tea blends for a unique and earthy flavor. 12. Echinacea, Echinacea purpurea. Echinacea flowers and roots are often used in herbal teas for their potential immune-boosting properties. 13. Lemongrass, Cymbopogon citratus. Lemongrass leaves are commonly used in herbal teas to add a lemony flavor and aroma. 14. Sage, Salvia officinalis. Sage leaves can be used sparingly in tea blends for their earthy and slightly astringent taste. 15. Fennel, Funiculum vulgare. Fennel seeds can be used to make teas with a mild licorice-like flavor. Tips for growing a tea garden. Choose a sunny location for your tea garden with well-drained soil. Many herbs can be grown in containers, making them suitable for small spaces and urban gardens. Prune and harvest regularly to encourage healthy growth. Allow your tea herbs to dry before storing them for later use. Experiment with different combinations of herbs to create unique and flavorful tea blends. Remember that growing a tea garden requires patience and care, but the rewards of enjoying your own homemade teas are well worth the effort.